Hi students, this is Dr. Bard, and I wanted to give you a brief introduction into our class, especially since it's going to be hosted in Canvas this semester. So there are 20 courses that are going to be piloted in Canvas, and the rest of them are still going to be in Blackboard like normal, and then we will switch to Canvas for all courses this summer. So you're one of a couple of hundred students that get to explore Canvas this semester. So I kind of wanted to show you around. To get to our Canvas website, you're going to search for crowder.instructure.com. So I know it's a little weird, but here it is also on a Word document. So you're welcome to pause the video and make sure you get to that website. And once you get there, you are going to log in, and that information is posted in Blackboard, and it's also posted under our announcements. But again, it shows you the URL for Canvas. To log in, you're going to use your Crowder College email address. So remember that those changed this fall. So it's your first and last name 001@student.crowder.edu. And your password is going to be your Crowder College email password. Okay, and also make sure you download the Canvas Student app. It's on the Play Store, it's on the Apple Store, so make sure you download it. And again, when you search, it's going to look like this. Just search for Canvas Student. It has this little red circle icon, and you'll want to install that. I am told that the app works very well, especially for assignments, checking and posting your discussion boards, and you can set up your notifications to get notified anytime I post an announcement, send an email, update your grades. So definitely download your app. Now, I'm not positive that your Connect assignments will work through the app, but all of the other things, especially your discussion boards and flip grids that we're going to do, will work really well in the app. Now, once you log in, you're going to see your dashboard, and more than likely, I'm going to be the only class that you have in Canvas this semester, but you could get lucky and get in a couple, but more than likely, you're just going to see this one course, Introduction to Business, and I named it Canvas Pilot for my purposes. So you're going to click on that, and when you click on that, it's going to open up on the home screen for our class this semester. Okay, so it's going to have the first, the latest, most recent announcements, I should say, the 3 most recent. So make sure you can click on those to read through that information. Okay, so definitely read those announcements. It's going to have some basic welcome information, so you're going to read through that. There's some shortcuts to the course overview, my instructor information, learning outcomes, and then some quick accesses. Start here, again, my information, the learning modules. So this is one way to get to your modules, student resources, and the lead library. Okay, so you can look through that. On the left-hand side, kind of your like buttons used to be in Blackboard. Again, the announcements will show you all of the announcements. I think I've had 3 so far. The syllabus, you're going to want to click on the syllabus link. And I have posted 3 documents right here that you're going to want to open and read. The first one is the syllabus, opens up in a new tab. And again, you have a download link, so you can click on that and download it to your computer. Or you can just read through it here. So again, my internet's being a little slow right now, but it hopefully loads quicker for you. But you can read through that syllabus. Okay, so read through all of that. I've got your weekly semester schedule. And again, you can download it or look through it here. And that's just kind of a quick overview of what we're going to do each week. So basically, we're going to cover a chapter a week. It's going to have kind of a short synopsis of your assignments for the week. You're going to have a smart book for every chapter, an application-based or a simulation type activity for most chapters, some homework assignments in Connect. We'll have some projects throughout the semester, and then your discussion boards. Every week starts on Monday, ends on Sunday at 11:59. So that's going to be your due date for each week. So look over that. And then if you're having difficulty finding and buying your textbook for this class, I made a PDF that shows you how to do that. I just want to point out that we don't have an actual textbook for this class. You have an access code, or instant access, we call it. So you don't even technically get a code. You're just buying access to the online ebook and homework manager called Connect through McGraw-Hill. Okay, so when you go to the bookstore's website, which I put here, you can quick link it. You put in our section information for this class, and then you search. You have two things pop up. You're going to buy the one that says instant access, and you need to do that within the first 2 weeks of class, or you're going to lose access to Connect, and that's where you do all your assignments. So that's very important. The other one says optional, and it's $25. That's for a print copy of our textbook. It is very good. It's a great resource, but it's not something that you have to purchase. But the instant access you do. So all of that information is found under syllabus, and you can scroll down, and I just copied some of the basic institutional syllabi information there. And then you have a rundown of due dates and summary. And again, you can get to assignments by going here also. Okay, so there's a lot of different ways to find your assignments in Canvas. You'll have a link to your attendance. If you are participating and doing your homework each week, you will be marked present at the end of each week. So that's how that works. You have a shortcut to your grades. Collaborations we probably won't use. The Office 365 link will take you to your Crowder student Office 365 account, so you can get to your Word, Excel, email that way. And then BrainFuse is your tutoring that Crowder provides. But the main thing are your modules. Okay, so you're going to want to click on your modules, and that's how you get to your weekly assignments. Okay, it's going to start off by giving you some support information. So if you can't remember how to log into something, it's going to be here. Some quick guides to Canvas. And then I've also included a registration video on how to register your Connect account. And also, if you're having issues with Connect, there's a link to their tech support that you can just click on, and it's going to give you their tech support information. Okay, so everything just very friendly. Click on it. You can use your back button and go back. Again, there's a quick link to my instructor information, course overview. So again, all of this stuff, come in here, click on it, read. Okay, and then there's just next buttons that take you right through everything. Okay, and then you're going to start for this week on Module 1, Chapter 1. Okay, so each chapter or each week has an overview and a to-do list. So you will click on that. See that we're learning about Chapter 1 today, their competencies. Here is your to-do list. Okay, so you're welcome to print that out, copy and paste, keep track of it, however you want to do that. But this is your weekly assignments. Now, I know it looks like a lot, but I do want to tell you that your smart book you'll do each week, that is taking the place of coming to class and hearing my lecture. The smart books will take you about 30 to 45 minutes a week. All of these little I see it videos, click and drags, little worksheets, those will only take a few minutes, so 5-10 minutes a piece. Your application-based activity will take a little longer, and then you've got your discussion board for most weeks, because that's kind of an overview. Don't get too anxious. Really, this won't take you any more time than coming to a seated class would. and you get to do it at your convenience. Okay, so you're going to want to click on your overview each week. Next, this one has a Flipgrid introduction video. So this is something you could definitely click on your phone through the Canvas app and just record your 90-second or less video introducing yourself to the class. Next, you've got some orientation videos, and that's your first one in Connect. So when you click on that link, it should prompt you to set up your Connect account. So you're just going to register, and if you've already used Connect before, you'll just log in, and then you'll just do a brief, watch a brief video on how to use Connect. Make sure you allow pop-ups. Go back to assignments. Sorry, let me find my module here for chapter 1. Okay, so those orientation videos are just quick little videos I want you to watch, 5 easy points. There's a link to the PowerPoint for each chapter that you're welcome to look through. And I also put a link to each chapter in the ebook that you're welcome. If you ever want to just look up something or read through the chapter, you can link there to that. And there's no points given for that. Okay, next are going to be your assignments for each chapter. And again, the first one is the SmartBook that you're going to want to do. And then watch that SmartBook orientation video. And then you've got your little short assignments in Connect for each chapter. And then your discussion board. So you're going to just click on that. And again, you can do this in the Canvas app. And you're going to read through the prompt and then make your post. And for this class, you're going to post by Friday for full credit. You can, if you forget to post on Friday, go ahead and post by Sunday, and you'll just lose 5 points. And then you need to reply to at least 2 other students throughout that week. And then each module ends with a wrap-up looking ahead. Again, there's not much to it, just kind of tells what we're doing next week. So that's going to kind of be how Canvas works for you. On the far left-hand side on your dashboard, that's how you can switch courses. You also have a calendar that you can click on, and it will show you what assignments in each class would be color-coded. And again, you probably only have the assignments for my class, so they're all going to be on Sunday. But you can see what your assignments are, and if you've completed them. If you've completed them, they'll be marked out. But this is one way also that you can get to your assignments. So I'm going to go back to our class. But again, there's multiple ways that you can find your assignments. So I encourage you just to explore Canvas, get used to it, and good luck. I think you're going to really like it once you get used to it, and I look forward to having a great semester.